This is a cable tester from DataShark. It comes in a durable textile pouch with belt loop. The device is used to check continuity or miswiring of patch cords. The sockets on the top of a main unit are in two sizes, RJ11 and RJ45. Both are secured with rubber plugs. The detachable terminator with sockets on top and bottom can be mounted both ways or be used for checking underwall wiring. The switch allows to toggle between three modes: off, on and slow. The cable tester comes with two RJ45 shielded patch cords, 9-volt battery and a manual. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. You need it, we have it.